Hello everyone, today I want to introduce the difference between MDVR8102S and MDVR8102SP. This one is S, this one is SP. So we can see the main difference is this one is one cable, this one is two cable. Okay, so let me introduce them one by one. They are saying AI dash camera is built-in front ID DAS and cabin DMS. You stick on the white shed. You can press in the middle place in the video and adjust the value for the adjust value. Also the DMS value we can make it the left and right DMS. Just tell us your steering via direction is no problem and it will be perfect calculation. Okay, and we see this one is also 2 SD card inside, support max 512 GB, so we can support 2 TF card and the SIM card inside. It have cover protection. Okay, and this one here the front, this is a new case for the big heat sink. This is a very good design. You can put our logo and you can put your logo as you want. It's no problem. We can do for you. This is SOS. They have different light, Wi-Fi, net, recorder, GPS, different light show here. This is S, just a 2-channel built-in front view and cabin view. Okay, and this one is SP. SP just we have made it a channel 3, channel 4 HD camera. You can connect and it has RS and GS with the series device. Also, you can connect the CBBS cable as you want. Okay, this is SP function. Just we say the plus. Okay, and also this one is most same function. Front ID DAS function, forward caution, pedestrian, warning, near distance. Okay, and the DMS function was almost the same. Left, right side as you want. It have calling, smoking, certificate driving, and close your eyes warning, and the no seatbelt warning, covered lens warning. So now it's most powerful for the DMS warning. And so if you have others requirement, also some customer will use this channel 3 with the DMS because it's only pointed to the driver in the screen. It's no problem. And also you can simply BSD for the channel 4. It's no problem, but it's only selected to AI will be better for the smart AI dash camera, right? Okay, if you have any question for the function and requirement information, you can let us. We will provide more details to you. Okay, thank you very much.